Good day to you and welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. Today we're going to ask the question, can a body corporate reserve the right of admission? In other words, can a body corporate refuse to allow certain people admission to a sectional title complex? We need to start out with an examination of the nature of sectional title common property. It's owned by all owners of sections. Each of them has the right to use it all for all normal purposes. They have the right to let their units, and owners and tenants have the right to invite visitors onto the common property. So the answer against this background is that the body corporate can refuse entry to anyone who has no connection with the scheme, but they can't refuse entry to anyone who has been invited by an owner or occupier of a section. If invited guests cause a nuisance, then the trustees must use the rules to control them, and it might be necessary to make special rules to deal with special circumstances. But also, if there are members of the general public coming onto the scheme, check the zoning situation and any special title conditions. This might have been set up in advance, but it might be an illegal use of a part of the scheme. If it was set up in advance, there will be servitudes in favour of the general public, so that makes certain facilities within the scheme available to all of them, as it must have been intended then by the developer and by the town planners from the local municipality who approved the scheme in the first place. Thank you for joining me in this video tutorial. If you have any questions, we can deal with them in the discussion forum.